Hey, MonkeyMeela. She's excited, guys, that we got some orange slime for her. This is jelly hearts. Orange scented. You can't eat it, baby. Let's get these out of here. Oh, look, Meela. Look at that big hunk of slimes. Wow. What is it, baby? That's a big piece of slime, Meela. She's like, it's the biggest one ever. Spank it. Look, come here. Say, who's your mama? Yeah. Oh, she's getting it. You smushing it? Is it making you mad? Look, man. Look. It's really cold, isn't it, baby? Yeah. So I've learned the trick with slime to keep it from being so sticky and sticking to monkey fur and stuff is to keep it cool. Quit licking it. Quit. You can't eat it. She's like, it does smell good. It kind of smells like an orange a little bit. Look, look, I got some hearts here. We're gonna put them in the slime. Look, they're in there. Get them out, baby. Hurry. Get them out of there. Save them. Hurry. Did you get it? Oh, she got one. Get this one, Meela. There's another one in there. Oh, there you go. That's a good girl. She's so smart. Oh, she's got her own little technique. She got it. Go, Meela. You pushed her back in there. She's got her foot in it. She's working. There it is, Meela. Get those hearts out of there. Save them. Hurry. Rip it, tear it, whatever you gotta do. She's so cute. Go, Meela. She got them. Watch, Meela. Look, I'm gonna put all the hearts in there, Meela. Oh, now come here, look. We gotta get them all out of there. Go, girl. She's a hard worker. She's the princess. She's gonna save the day. Need some help. Oh, they're all trapped in there, Meela. Save them. Hurry. Oh, she's got one, I think. Did you get one out? Save that one. Here you go. Pull it. Oh, good job, Meela. Yay. Get another one out. Hurry. Meela, get this one. Get it? Oh, Meela. Oh, we saved another one. Oh, there it is. She's like, they're trapped. I don't know. Look, Meela. Just gotta pull them out like that. There's the one. Come on, let's keep going. We gotta get them all out of there. And then we'll put the slime in the bucket. Look, she's got it. She's holding it with her feet, and then she got a grip on it. Pull that out of there. Look, watch me, huh? Hold the slime down for me. You hold this. There you go. We're working together. All right. There's 4. Teamwork, right? Yeah. You hold the slime down. Hold it. Hold it. There we go. Keep going. Keep going, little girl. There's one. Get it. We got it, Meela. Look. Get it? Yeah. All right, get that one. Here. Wait, let's get this one first. See, we gotta save them all. Meela. Here. Come on, stay with. Get this one. Here. I'm gonna pull it. Hold it down. Hold it. Which one we getting, Meela? Okay, look. Hold the slime. Hold it. Oh, we saved one. Help. Oh, there you go. That's a good girl. Thank you. Turn this way. We gotta get this one out. This seems to be a problem, Meela. Here, we got it. Hold the slime. Hold it. Pull. Oh, good job, Meela. Okay, we got a couple more we gotta save here. All right. Oh, let's pull that. Hold it. Oh, there we go. In there. We got one more, Meela. We gotta get that out of there. And it'll be some healthy slime. Here, hold it down for me. Use your feet. Oh, pull, Meela. Pull it. You're so strong. We did it. Yay. All right, Meela, you got them right. We got them all out of there. You're silly. All right, Meela, if you have fun with that slime, look at that. That's a big, giant ball of slime, Meela. Is that slime all good? It's good? Okay. You're still playing just for a minute? Okay. I think we got everything out of it. All right. Put it in the bucket. Put your slime in the bucket. No, don't get no parts out. Watch this, Meela. Watch. Look. She's like, oh, it's time to clean up. The princess don't do that. Look, Meela. Now it's in the bucket. We got a lid for it. We gotta make sure the lid's all nice and tight. We got it on there. Okay, come get on my shoulder. She's a good girl. All right, Meela, give everybody kisses. Oh, she loves everybody. She give her big kisses. Say thanks for watching me play with my slime. I'll see you guys in the next video.